Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use RevPoints on Revolut. First thing first, launch the Revolut app on your iPhone or Android and make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Now tap on the Rewards tab, sometimes found under Hub or Lifestyle depending on your region. Just select RevPoints to view your balance. You'll see the different categories where RevPoints can be used. For example, travel, you can convert them into discounts on flights or hotels. Cashback, sometimes Revolut lets you redeem RevPoints for direct cashback. And perks and offers, which has discounts on brands partnered with Revolut. Just select the reward you want and tap redeem, then confirm. Your RevPoints will be deducted and you'll see your reward applied immediately, like a travel discount or cashback, to your balance. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.